I were to tell you one of the best beard styling tools is absolutely free and you carry it around with you at all times, and that would be your hand or your hands. I'm gonna explain my reasoning and all the details behind that, but first I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Dan C. Bearded, and I'm coming to you today from the Volt Lifeproof Grooming's YouTube channel, and I do encourage you to consider subscribing, hitting the thumbs up, and at any point during this video, please leave a comment down below with your thoughts or your questions and overall just feedback. So yeah, your hands, I think, are very underutilized when it comes to styling your beard. Now, we don't want to cross the line of just picking at it and playing with it. That can be damaging, especially if you have calloused hands or rough skin. You don't want to overdo that. But a simple couple times during the day, getting a little bit of styling with your hands, very simple. I have this big, long, full beard. I do not have a pocket comb. I do not carry a comb with me. I don't have it in a bag. I don't have it in work. I simply use my hands throughout the day to style my beard, and I don't think a lot of people think about that. Right? I use good quality products like the Beard Lube from Volt in the morning, and that lasts me all day without having to really redo my styling except for my hands. So let me give you a couple examples of what I mean. One thing that really happens to me when I wear a coat, when I'm teaching and my beard kind of gets in like this, I don't like it all slim and skinny, so I want to get a little bit of volume. If I use a comb, oftentimes it kind of messes everything up. So what I do is I get my hands underneath my beard, and I just do a little shake, a little shovel out there, and then I'm pardon the eye contact. Then you notice my beard has much more volume, gives a little bit of texture in there as well. I don't want my beard to be too perfectly stick straight. I want a little bit of a ridge in there. I want a little bit of kind of, you know, just, I would say, manliness with the beard. Another thing that I like to do is my mustache, I just kind of sweep off to the side. I like it to blend into my beard. I like it to be full, but not really completely over the lip. So what I will do is I'll take my fingers right here and I'll kind of just pull away from my mouth. And then at the end there, maybe just kind of spread it out a little bit, and that does a great job. Other things is, a lot of us, especially if you have a beard of some length and some volume, we start to get that natural French fork where your beard starts to split in the middle, and that's because of the growth around our Adam's apple. When that hair on your Adam's apple starts curving, your beard's gonna do the same thing at a certain length. For some people, it starts short. Mine's usually around 10 inches when it starts to fork. So all I simply do, one-handed here, I don't even need both hands for this tool, right, is just start to kind of pick it together. And when you have that slight texture in your beard, it's almost like they get Velcroed together and they style in well. But when you use a comb, it splits that Velcro and doesn't allow it to do its job. So just simply have your hand there. I also like to take my thumbs around the sides and the back and just kind of guide everything in. Maybe do a little pinch and pull method, and boom. I really use my hands when it comes to styling, and they're always with me, and it's 100% free. You don't always have to go out and get the new gadget, the new tool. Sometimes the best ones are with you and you don't even think about it. So, question for you guys down below, what tools do you use? Do you use one of the brushes, one of the combs from Volt? Do you use something else? Or are you in the same boat as me and you're like, yeah, I use all the tools, but throughout the day, my real MVP would be my hand or my hands when it comes to styling. So I hope this was some food for thought. Maybe it'll help some of you guys. Maybe right now you're testing with your beard. That's awesome, man. Rock on. I appreciate you guys watching. My name one more time is Dan C. Bearded, and thank you, Volt, for these videos. Thank you for helping this platform and getting the lifestyle and really bringing confidence to beards and just men in general all across the world. I cannot wait to see this grow, and I hope you guys are on board with us. Thank you for watching today, guys. Have a fantastic day. Tell somebody that you appreciate them and leave a comment on this video.